We will show you the sorting performance of Taiho AI Intelligent Deep Learning Color Sorter at site. First, raw material is feed to sorter machine through elevator. Then material will begin to belt through vibrator feeding. And use our AI Intelligent Deep Learning technology. Accurately identify the color, shape, texture, area, and other characteristics of sunflower seeds. This is final acceptance sunflower seed after sorting. Then material going to electronic packing machine. This is final rejection. This is raw material. Final acceptance. The final acceptance, very pure. No other impurities. This is final rejection. High sorting accuracy, low carry ratio.